We've scoured the globe to bring you 20 real places so absurdly beautiful, so mind-bendingly unique, your brain will absolutely scream, Photoshop. Seriously, you won't believe these spots exist outside of a fantasy novel or a sci-fi movie. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because our number one pick literally smokes and thunders at the same time. It's a natural spectacle that has to be seen, and heard, to be truly comprehended. Let's kick things off with a bang, or rather, a thunderous roar. Locals have perfectly named this majestic wonder Mosi o Tunya, which translates to, a smoke that thunders, and when you witness it, you'll understand why. Imagine a mile-wide sheet of water, an unstoppable force, plunging an incredible 400 feet into the chasm below. It tosses up so much mist, so high into the sky, that you can actually spot its ethereal plume from a staggering 40 miles away. It's like a cloud factory operating at full throttle. If you're brave enough to stand on the knife-edge bridge, peering down into the churning abyss, you'll swear gravity just decided to take a day off. The sheer power and scale are almost overwhelming, a truly spectacular display of nature's raw might. Next, we're heading to a landscape that feels less like Earth and more like a carefully crafted set from a space opera. Here, red dunes, some taller than the Empire State Building itself, roar majestically, stretching as far as the eye can see, all the way to the icy Atlantic Ocean. But the real showstopper: the ancient, dead acacia trees in Sossusvlei. Their black, skeletal forms stand stark against the vibrant orange sand, creating an eerie, almost artistic contrast. It's like you've walked onto a postcard from Mars, a timeless scene where silence reigns supreme and the wind whispers ancient secrets. This is where the desert truly shows its artistic side, painting masterpieces with sand and shadow prepare for a sensory overload in Komodo National Park. Forget everything you thought you knew about beaches, because here, pink, black, and white sand beaches sit shoulder to shoulder, creating a kaleidoscopic shoreline that's almost unbelievable. And that's before you even meet the 3-meter-long, prehistoric Komodo dragons that roam these islands. As the sun rises, it paints the rolling hills in hues of liquid gold, while by noon, the sea takes on such vivid, impossible blues and greens it looks like someone injected it with pure food coloring. It's an ecological marvel, a place where unique wildlife and stunning landscapes combine to create something truly magical. If you thought one waterfall was impressive, try 250 of them, all sharing one colossal stage. Iguazu Falls isn't just a waterfall, it's an entire system, a liquid orchestra playing a symphony of power. The centerpiece, Garganta del Diablo, or Devil's Throat, is an absolutely breathtaking horseshoe-shaped chasm that seems to swallow clouds whole with its immense spray and roar. Take one photo here, and your friends will instantly accuse you of abusing a green screen, because the sheer scale and dramatic beauty are almost too perfect to be real. It's a testament to the planet's incredible hydrological forces, an unforgettable boundary between two nations. Imagine stepping into a real-life fairy tale, but one where the trees are the main characters. That's the Avenue of the Baobabs. Here, 30-meter-tall, fat-trunked giants line a dusty dirt road, their massive forms reaching towards the sky like ancient sentinels. As the sun begins its descent, it bathes their bark in a warm, coppery glow, transforming the scene into something truly magical. And if you're lucky, you might even spot playful lemurs leaping between the gnarled branches. It's a scene ripped straight from a children's storybook, an illustration brought to life. Except this page smells distinctly of wild cloves and the whisper of history. Ever seen snow in the desert? Well, not exactly, but White Sands National Park is the closest you'll get. Here, gypsum dunes glow with such an intense, almost blinding brightness, you'll find yourself squinting even through the darkest sunglasses. These aren't your typical sandy hills, they're pure white, soft, and constantly shifting. Wave-like ridges of gypsum shift overnight, erasing every footprint, every trace, like nature's own colossal etch-a-sketch. You might even spot picnic tables half buried, patiently waiting for the next sci-fi remake to be filmed against this surreal, lunar-like backdrop. It's an incredibly rare geological phenomenon, a dazzling expanse that truly feels out of this world. Picture this. A volcano, 7,700 years ago, blew its top in a cataclysmic eruption, leaving behind a massive hole. Over millennia, that hole filled with pristine rain and snow, creating what we now know as Crater Lake. There are no rivers flowing in, and no rivers flowing out, just the clearest, deepest blue water you'll ever see on the entire continent. On calm days, the lake's perfectly still surface mirrors the surrounding rim and the sky above with such flawless precision that pilots flying overhead have reportedly experienced vertigo. It's a place of profound tranquility and breathtaking beauty, a vivid reminder of Earth's powerful past. Some places are just too big to truly grasp, and the Grand Canyon is definitely one of them. We're talking about a mile deep, 10 miles wide, and stretching for an astonishing 270 river miles. It's not just a hole in the ground, it's a living, breathing geological library. The exposed rock layers tell a 2-billion-year-old story of Earth's history, layer by magnificent layer. If you dare to stand on the glass skywalk, suspended thousands of feet above the canyon floor, your brain will absolutely insist that the mighty Colorado River, snaking far below, is nothing more than a tiny, shimmering ribbon of ketchup. It's a humbling, awe-inspiring experience that genuinely redefines your sense of scale. Nestled in the Canadian Rockies, Peyto Lake is a spectacle of color. Its water, fed by glaciers, is infused with what scientists call rock flour, which gives it an utterly unique and vibrant hue. Tour guides affectionately call it Kool-Aid turquoise, and honestly, that's the best description. From the Bow Summit viewpoint, the lake takes on the distinctive shape of a wolf's head, seemingly wearing a neon collar of brilliant blue. Whether you visit in the lush greens of summer, the fiery golds of autumn, or the stark whites of winter, you'll find that no two photos are ever quite the same. It's a dynamic, ever-changing masterpiece of nature, the true gem of Banff National Park. Imagine soaking in warm, milky blue water while the air outside hovers near freezing. Welcome to the Blue Lagoon, where volcanic lava meets geothermal plumbing in the most luxurious way possible. This isn't just a spa, it's an experience. The water, rich in minerals, steams invitingly at a perfect 38 degrees Celsius, creating a surreal contrast with the often chilly Icelandic air. Rub some of that famous silica mud on your face, and you're instantly transformed into an extra in a spa-themed space opera, feeling rejuvenated and utterly otherworldly. It's a perfect blend of natural wonder and serene relaxation, a place that truly recharges the soul. Get ready for a geological nesting doll. Mount Bromo is an active volcano, sitting inside a massive caldera, which itself is nestled within a vast national park. It's layers upon layers of natural drama. Come dawn, as the first light touches the landscape, the crater often puffs out perfect, ethereal smoke rings that drift lazily above a sprawling sea of black volcanic sand. It's an almost spiritual sight. Local communities hold deep reverence for this mountain, offering flowers and even chickens as offerings, and the mountain often answers with a low, rumbling bass, a reminder of the immense power simmering beneath its surface. It's a place where myth and geology beautifully intertwine. Prepare to have your breath stolen by the marble caves on Lago General Carrera in Patagonia. Over 6,000 years, the relentless power of waves has meticulously carved breathtaking swirl patterns into colossal monoliths of solid calcium carbonate. The result, a natural cathedral of swirling blues and whites. Kayak inside these incredible formations, and the marble walls glow with an otherworldly luminescence, reflecting in the incredibly clear water. The effect is stunning, like glacier Gatorade swirling around you. The water is so transparent, you can literally see your paddle 10 meters down, a testament to the pristine environment. It's a truly unique and fragile masterpiece of natural artistry. Think you know waterfalls? Think again. Kayatur Falls is an absolute marvel, 4 times higher than the famous Niagara, yet it's visited by fewer people than your local coffee shop sees in an hour. This isn't a tourist trap, it's a hidden gem. A single, powerful 741-foot drop plunges into a misty, verdant amphitheater below, a place so untouched and alive it feels like discovering a secret level in a video game. Within this misty realm, Tiny golden frogs thrive inside giant bromeliads, a testament to the unique ecosystem fostered by the falls. Its raw, untamed beauty, an unparalleled spectacle of nature's grandeur in the heart of the rainforest. Prepare for the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall drop, a staggering 3,212 feet from the Oyan Tepui mountain. Angel Falls doesn't just fall, it descends from the heavens. Often, clouds will completely swallow its base, while the summit of the Tepui sticks out above the mist like an ethereal island in the sky. After particularly heavy rains, the falls can split into twin silver threads, shimmering against the lush green backdrop. It's like experiencing Avatar without needing any VFX budget. Discovered relatively recently in the grand scheme of things, it remains a majestic, remote wonder, a true testament to the untouched beauty of Venezuela's wilderness. Imagine a desert where the sand isn't the main attraction. In Egypt's White Desert, nature has sculpted chalk monoliths, carved and smoothed by centuries of relentless sandstorms, into the most bizarre and wonderful shapes. They look like giant mushrooms, majestic camels, and even colossal chickens, all camping under a blanket of starlight. Spend a night camping here, and you'll swear the moon borrowed Earth for its movie set, illuminating these fantastical formations in an otherworldly glow. It's an open-air sculpture garden, meticulously crafted by wind and time, offering a surreal and unforgettable experience that defies expectations of what a desert can be. Welcome to one of the most extreme places on Earth, the Danakil Depression. This isn't just hot, it's inhospitable asterisk, sitting dramatically at the junction of three tectonic plates. But within this harsh environment lies an astonishing, vibrant landscape. Neon sulfur springs bubble and hiss, painting the ground in impossible oranges, yellows, and greens. Lava lakes glow with an infernal light, and ancient camel caravans still haul salt blocks across the vast flats, looking like extras in some epic post-apocalyptic film. It's a living, breathing geological laboratory, a place where Earth's raw, volatile power is on full, undeniable display. Sometimes, Earth creates art so grand it can only truly be appreciated from space. The Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Rishat structure, is a colossal 45-kilometer wide bull's eye, clearly visible even from orbit. Its origin remains one of Earth's great mysteries. Is it an eroded geological dome, or perhaps the scar of an ancient impact? No one knows for sure, and that only adds to its mystique. Fly over it, and you almost half expect this colossal geological feature to suddenly blink, watching you back. It's an enigmatic, mesmerizing marvel, a perfectly circular anomaly that continues to baffle scientists and inspire awe. Stepping onto Antarctica is like stepping onto another planet. This isn't just a continent, it's the world's largest wilderness, a pristine, remote expanse covered by ice 2 miles thick in places. Here, emperor penguins waddle with unwavering dignity, and seals bask on ice floes, completely unperturbed by human presence. During the 24-hour summer sun, the landscape glows with an ethereal light. The silence here is so profound, so utterly deep, that you can literally hear your own heartbeat echo off the towering, ancient glaciers. It's the closest you can get to standing on another planet without needing a rocket, a truly untouched frontier that demands respect and inspires endless wonder. Niagara Falls. An oldie, but undeniably a goodie, and for very good reason. Don't let its popularity fool you. The sheer power of 6 million cubic feet of water per minute cascading over the Horseshoe Falls is an absolutely breathtaking spectacle. At night, vibrant lights illuminate the churning spray, transforming it into a dazzling display of liquid rainbows. Yes, it's touristy, and you'll share the view with plenty of others, but the sheer scale and raw force of this natural wonder still manage to completely fry your sense of perspective. It's a timeless classic, a powerful testament to water's enduring might and beauty. We open our journey with it, but Victoria Falls deserves a second, deeper bow. Because honestly, the numbers here are so mind-boggling, they demand another moment in the spotlight. During peak flow, an incomprehensible 19 million liters of water per second launch skyward from the Zambezi River. The spray itself rises a staggering 1,600 feet. That's taller than Taipei 101, one of the world's tallest skyscrapers. If Mother Nature ever wanted to truly flex her muscles, to show off her unparalleled strength and majesty, this is unequivocally her gym. And if you're feeling truly adventurous, imagine this: bungee jumping off the historic rail bridge, free-falling 364 feet with the thunderous roar of a jet engine in your ears, surrounded by the mist of the world's most powerful waterfall. It's an experience that will redefine your understanding of awe. So, after that whirlwind tour around our incredible planet, which of these absolutely unbelievable spots just rocketed straight to the top of your personal bucket list? Drop the number in the comments below, smash that like button if you learned something new and have your mind blown, and definitely subscribe for more trips around our weird, wonderful world. Don't miss out on more of Earth's hidden, and not so hidden, gems. You see, Earth doesn't need fancy CGI. It already out-imagines every blockbuster Hollywood could ever dream up. From islands where real-life dragons roam to mystical marble water temples carved by millennia of waves, these 20 places are undeniable proof that reality is, without a doubt, the best special effects studio in the entire universe. So, what are you waiting for? Pick one, book the ticket, and go see for yourself why truth will always, always beat fiction. Your next unbelievable adventure is just a plane ride away.